Hey guys, Andrew with RCBS. Today, we're going to set up a full-length sizing die.
Here's Fred entering his office reloading area with a line of RCBS dies. Modern equipment like this makes it possible for RCBS to turn out precision-eared equipment.
So you fired your cartridge through your firearm. Now, in order to fire it again, we need to decap it and resize it. We're going to run it through our sizing die with the capping pin. What that does is it does two things. It sizes that brass back down to specifications so you can load it again. It also uses the decapping pin to remove the spent primer. So we're going to take our sizing die out of our die box. The sizing die here has a decapping pin, and that's going to help us push out the spent primer. As we're going to start threading the die into the press. We're going to thread the sizing die until it makes contact with the shell holder. Do not lock the lock ring yet. Lower the ram and run the die down another quarter turn. Raise your ram back up to the base of the die. Once you feel resistance, continue with the load on the handle to ensure you are camming over. Leave the ram up, then tighten the lock ring. This will ensure that you are bumping your headspace. And we're going to secure the set screw. Lower the ram, and then from that point on, you need to make sure that you use lubricated cases for this process. We're going to take our once fired case with the spent primer in it, insert that into the shell holder, lower the ram, and there you go. And that's how you set up and use a sizing die. If you have any questions about any product you've seen in this video, comment below. For everything else and more, go visit us over at rcbs.com. We'll see you next time.